Well, hello, hello, hello. Vote blue in every election, local, state, and federal. Hey guys, been doing this for 6 years since Trump came out in 2015 to run for president. You know what's kind of funny? It's kind of funny that when you ask people for information, evidence, facts, it's kind of funny how you never get that. You do get threats. You get threats of violence. You get threats of being shot. And you're called a coward, and you're called a chicken, and blah, 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 blah. Guys, so I'm going to make a little video. And I sent this to the FBI. Not the video, but I sent the information about the person to the FBI. Let's go through this here in a second. So this is that nut job, Melissa Carone or Carone. She's the drunk, blonde-headed woman that sat next to Giuliani spouting bullshit and lies about voter fraud, about Dominion, without any verification, information, evidence, facts, blah, blah, blah. Don't need to really say anything other than that she's just a nut job. But let me show you a little bit of character about her really quick. Hold on. Now, of course, Donald Trump, Rudy Giuliani always surround themselves with the most, ethical, moral, upstanding citizens, correct? Well, hold on here.
Carone is also shedding light on her criminal history. In 2018, she was charged with obscenity for allegedly emailing sexually explicit videos to her fiance's ex-wife, Jessica Stackpool.
There were 3 different video clips. They're approximately 3 to 7 minutes long.
Carone pled guilty to a lesser charge, which was dismissed earlier this year after she completed probation. Did Rudy Giuliani and his team know about this whole sex tape allegation before bringing you onto the stand?
I don't know that to be a fact. I don't know. They never said anything. There's 0.
Okay, so basically, they're taking this woman's word, who's pretty much really a nut job, in regards to voter fraud. Okay, now hold on here for a second. So like I said, this is Melissa Carone or Carone, the bimbo QAnon. As you can see, she's with Marjorie Taylor Greene, a QAnon conspiracist. Yeah, so that should tell you a lot right there. So this person, from what he says, is her uncle, a Doug Carone. So, I've asked Melissa for proof and facts, and I've offered them money. People who know me over the past years know that I'm a little bit of financially secure type of person, and I make offers to people to show information. Now, what's kind of funny is that people never show facts or information, but they do show threats. Now, I found this picture, of course, and look who it is. It's Mike Lindell, the other QAnon conspiracy theorist moron. That's kind of amazing how people flock together in regards to this bull crap. So let me show you. Nope, not that one. And where is it? Hold on for a second. So this guy right here is who's the Doug Carone. Facebooked me a message saying, why don't we meet somewhere and discuss it? Basically, me asking Melissa for facts and information. And as you can see, he's dressed in camo with an AR-15. Now, I sent this to the FBI. I'm not worried about Facebook. And of course the FBI probably won't do anything about it anyway. But, you know, I made sure that they had his face too. Just so they know exactly who he is. Now, threats like this come from these type of people who don't want to show facts of what they say. They don't want to prove evidence of what they have or don't have. They call the left sheep. And they never provide facts or information. Now I'm going to show some other stuff. Hold on. So here's a recent video of this nut job. Pay attention.
McGroom, Bola Fave, Steve Johnson, Jeff Yarrick, Lana Tice, and Matt Hall last night, and asked them what they think of Jovan Pulitzer getting the Ketamatic artifact detection fully funded here in the state of Michigan. Not a single one of them, not one of them responded to that. So that tells you something. Our legislators, our Republican legislators, what they're doing is they are covering up, they're trying to cover up for these machines. They're trying to.
Did you hear what she just said? She said that the legislatures are trained to cover up for the machines, for the voting machines. Hold on. Okay, guys. So basically, I was going through that video that I was just playing. You need to go to her site and go to her videos on Facebook. She is the biggest conspiracy theorist, liar, QAnon nut job I have ever come across in 6 years. I thought that there are a lot of Trump lovers out there that were really whack jobs. This woman, besides this Mike Lindell, these two people take the cake. But my overall video of what I was doing is this guy right here who says that he's her uncle, and that's her niece, threatened a life with a rifle just because we're asking her to show proof. Show proof, woman. Show proof. Show facts. Show evidence to your comments. Why can't you do that? I guess because you don't have any and you're just an ignorant, uneducated nut job. So I will spread this across on my sites on YouTube and Facebook and all that stuff. And you're going to be famous for being the most stupidest, ignorant person in the world. I mean, look at her face. Her expression, just regular in a conversation, shows that she lacks intelligence. There is no expression of her. It's just basically a pan face of stupidity. But anyway, have fun, guys. I'll make another video of this moron, and I'll paste it on hers and her uncle's page.